Alright guys, one-man camera crew today. Tyler, Runningbearcentral. Today we're going to try to find an AC leak with an ultraviolet light, purple, and some yellow glasses for safety, I guess. It's going to go black, but all you're going to see is a purple light. Alright, so we got the UV light. I wouldn't worry about much around the connectors because I've been messing with it all day. You can see they light up pretty good though. But what did surprise me now that it's night out is this right here. I didn't expect that. Obviously there's UV dye in this truck because that's how we're seeing this light up like a Christmas tree. This is the problem I thought I solved today, I hope. It's passed the leak down test, but there's a bolt right there and it has an O-ring on it. And when I come out here the other morning, this whole thing was puddled right up at the bottom with oil. Hopefully I fixed it, and I guess we'll know for future videos. Runningbear Towing, Runningbearcentral. I'll keep them coming. You keep watching, like and subscribe. Runningbear.